And I saw it, and then I went to find it again, and I couldn't find it. Because you know how he drinks coffee all the time?
Oh,
They
yeah.
had a coffee cup that was out of a lens.
Oh, the camera?
Yes.
Yeah, cover them up, right?
Huh?
Cover them up.
Yes, I saw one, and I went to go and order it, and I thought I bookmarked the page, and I couldn't find it again.
What can it be?
Yay! Lincoln Logs.
Now we can play all night. All night long.
What do you think?
I like Lincoln Logs.
You wanted those, didn't you?
Okay, now. Rip the sucker.
It's funny whenever I do this. My nephews used to say, "Oh, this got to be Auntie Sherry. Why did I can't get it? I need a knife."
I'm sure taped it too good. Like that.
I have no idea.
A box.
No, it's not.
Looks like a box.
Looks like a box to me.
You need a knife?
You need Dad? What are they? Do you know?
I didn't even see it yet. I'm still trying to rip this.
Here, can't you?
I'm still trying to rip it open. Do you know what it is?
No.
Tinker Toys.
It's like my favorite when I was a kid.
Do you know what Tinker Toys are?
But mine
It's
were
kinda
Plastic
like-
now, huh?
It's kind of like Lincoln Logs,
Here's fate.
where you it's like Lincoln Logs
Here's
where you
yours, Daddy. Oh.
it's Lincoln Logs where you
Let me
get to build.
guess.
That's the fake baby.
Here, go, Faith.
Hold on.
have her sit there.
Open, Faith.
Come here, Faith. Do you want me to help you?
Let her try, honey.
What about this
Here,
part?
this might be a little hard. We'll do.
Start
There.
No, I think that's
Okay.
good.
Okay, now we'll have her sit there and she can do the rest.
Sit. Go open. No, come here. It's okay.
Here, look.
Look here. Look at this.
Woohoo!
Look at this. No. Okay.
Oh, she's sleepy. Oh, look at that! Look at.
50.
Oh, goodness. Baby, look. What does Gracie have?
Oh, look at this! Wow!
Baby, look.
Oh my goodness!
Not happy. What is Grace opening for you? Look at it. What is that? Go see.
Let's see.
Go see, baby.
Get it?
Daddy will help you.
Come here, Faith.
Look at rip this.
Oh,
You
go see.
Please, come here. Do you want to see it?
Now she's down.
Pretty babies. You like these. You like babies. Do you want to rip it? Here.
help Grace.
Here. Here, want to sit back here?
Look at the
Look
baby.
how excited she got.
Don't take it off of there.
She's so excited.
No, get out.
Those are cute.